Mr. Info D.
Shall we have breakfast together?
Elon Musk is a CEO who has a high propensity of firing employees from his multiple companies. The no-nonsense boss has sent very many workers packing at the slightest provocation. Join us today in this video as we explore why Elon Musk fires people on a daily basis. Elon's behavior of firing employees can be traced to 2008 when he axed Tesla's original CEO Martin Eberhard. It was engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning who originally founded Tesla in July 2003. Ian Wright, Elon Musk, and J.B. Straubel joined them later on. History reveals that Tesla is the brainchild of engineer Martin Eberhard. It is interesting how Musk, as the fourth employee in Tesla, came to sack Eberhard, who was the first employee in Tesla. In 2008, Musk served as the chairman of Tesla while Eberhard served as the CEO. It is important to note that by 2008, Musk had a big say in Tesla as he had made a substantial investment in the EV manufacturer, unlike the other four founders. Martin was sacked by Elon over a telephone after he had finished making a presentation at the Motors Press Guild. A secret board meeting had been held to orchestrate the ouster of Eberhard while he was making his presentation. In the call, Musk just told Eberhard that he will no longer be serving as CEO. That was enough to send Martin Eberhard out of a company that he had founded with Mark Tarpenning. If Musk chased Eberhard from Tesla, then he can throw out any other person that he wishes to. Musk fires in a pretty simple and straightforward manner. There is no need for memos or dismal letters. His word is final. Your fate is decided when Musk says you are fired. Martin Eberhard's case is one of the high-profile dismissals that Elon Musk has done in Tesla. Musk is daily firing poor performers from Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and his other companies. The hardworking CEO has got no room for poor performance in his companies. As the CEO of his company, he ensures that employees deliver high-quality work. There is no room for mediocre work in Musk's companies as they deal with sophisticated technology. Employees who report to work late, those who feign sickness, and those who do not meet strict deadlines are daily being shown the door in Elon's companies. The multi-talented business magnate does not tolerate lazy and incompetent employees. In 2007, Musk was very annoyed with his workers at Detroit who were working on Tesla's Roadster. The team had done shoddy work and Musk would have none of it. As Tesla chairman, Musk ordered the then CEO engineer Martin Eberhard to sack the entire team. In his own words, he said, "Fire all of them, every one of them." SpaceX employees would literally get fired if they said that any project they had been given is impossible. The SpaceX CEO does not believe that there is nothing that cannot be done. After all, our good Elon is making the impossible possible. He is soon making us multi-planetary species. The SpaceX founder and CEO takes over any project that his employees consider an impossibility. What is mind-boggling is that the tech guru always delivers on those projects before the deadline. He is just a genius. The workers at SpaceX will also be fired for not cutting down the initial cost of a project. Musk believes that it is possible to cut down the cost of a project using his unique method of thinking known as first principles thinking. While using this method, he breaks down a problem to its fundamentals and tries to establish a solution from there. Previously, Musk used first principles thinking in determining the cost of materials used in making rockets. So far, he has succeeded in making cheaper rockets. Musk fires any employees that say that it is impossible to cut down the cost of a project. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO sacks employees who are not innovative from day to day. Musk's companies are not the best places for anyone that is allergic to innovation. The companies deal with sophisticated technology and will not in any way entertain persons who are not creative enough. Elon's companies deal with tech and require the highest levels of innovation from their employees so as to stay ahead. At the moment, Elon's Neuralink is working on a complex technology that is aimed at planting a chip in the brain of a person. Such complicated projects require high levels of innovation. In an interview, Elon Musk explains how failure to innovate will cause a person to be fired from his companies. Have a look.
The massive thing that can be done is to make sure your incentive structure is such that innovation is rewarded and lack of innovation is punished. So you gotta be a carrot and a stick. So if somebody is innovating and making good progress, then they should be promoted sooner. And if somebody is completely failing to innovate, not every role requires innovation, but if they're in a role where innovation should be happening and it's not happening, then they should either not be promoted or exited. And they tell you you'll get promoted, you'll get innovation real fast. Okay?
The stick.
Yeah, I was like, how much do you want?
Yeah.
Elon Musk fired Richard Ortiz for associating himself with the United Auto Workers Union. Given Musk's stand on unions, he will not hesitate to dismiss any other employee who associates themselves with the unions. The Tesla CEO is a strong critic of UAW. He believes that UAW is corrupt and has a thirst for the workers' money. As such, the workers in Tesla are not in UAW and will be dismissed if they are trying to join unions. In a court ruling by the National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, Musk and Tesla were found to have illegally sacked Richard Ortiz. Consequently, Musk was requested to reinstate the employees. Elon cannot accommodate any employee who supports UAW in his gigafactories. If you want to secure your job in Tesla, you must just avoid UAW. The Tesla founder almost fired his employees when they started raising complaints on overworking. The Tesla workers were not happy as they often requested to work on weekends on short notice. Vice President Josh Ensign received Musk's wrath when he raised the issue that the workers need time to rest. Musk was pissed off with the factory boss and responded saying, "I can be on my own private island with naked supermodels drinking Mai Tais, but I'm not. I'm in the factory working my A off. So I don't want to hear about how hard everyone else in the factory works." Musk's responses on overworking are expected as he is personally a workaholic. The hardworking CEO works for 100 hours a week. To be precise, he works for 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. At times, he works the night shift when he needs to fix something critical in his companies. It is illogical if anyone would want to work less than their boss. Elon would just fire you on the spot if you are not ready to work beyond the normal office hours. The CEO will not just understand why an employee does not want to work overtime when he gives them attractive benefits for the extra hours worked. Elon Musk will probably lay off workers when he has to cut down costs. After all, he is in business and would not risk having idle labor. In 2019, Musk wrote a letter to Tesla staffing informing them that he will lay off 7% of Tesla's full-time workforce. That percentage translates to around 3,000 workers across his Tesla factories. The move was made as an effort of cost-cutting during the production of Tesla Model 3. The tech-savvy CEO will continue to daily fire his employees as his companies embrace more sophisticated technology. Tesla factories use robots in the production process, which replaces human labor. The robots are faster, cheaper, and more accurate than humans. In that respect, Musk is forced to offload more employees from Tesla and SpaceX as he creates room for more automation. In a rather interesting twist, even the robots are being laid off. It is just mind-blowing. Tesla has acquired GigaPress from an Italian company, IDRA, that are more efficient and effective than robots. The gigantic machines are able to make underbodies of cars in a swift manner. Tesla has offloaded more than 300 robots when it started using GigaPress machines. With an increase in more advanced technology, Elon Musk will fire more people on a daily basis. Employees who disagree with Elon Musk are shown the door in his companies. He is a genius, and there is no point in disagreeing with him. The tech billionaire has created an environment where it is unacceptable to disagree with him. Tim Higgins, in his book Power Play, Tesla, Elon Musk, and the Bet of the Century, clearly explains how some 2 employees were axed for disagreeing with the big man. A painter was fired instantly when he told Elon that his production goals were not possible. In Tesla, SpaceX, or any of Musk's companies, you have to agree with the CEO so as to survive. Trying to disagree with the tech guru is an equivalent of initiating your exit from his company. Things are not going to get better at SpaceX or Tesla, as the CEO will instantly fire any workers who do stupid mistakes. Elon Musk is the boss, and he will fire anyone, anytime, and for whatever reason. When Musk fires you, you must go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so that you don't miss out on the latest Elon Musk news. Anyways guys, if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video right above.